Okay, today I found out Rive actually has randomization on timelines, and this has a bunch of cool um, applications that you could use it for. But let's first see how we actually apply it. So I'm going to create a new artboard. We're going to dive in here and I guess let's just create any object for now. And then from this, I'm going to go to animate, not to waste any time. I'm going to keep one empty state. Okay, we're going to duplicate empty, and I'm just going to go at the top. And we're going to move this guy to the top. Just keyframe that there. Cool. I've just added a keyframe. I'm moving it left and right. Then duplicate this, call it the bottom, and move this circle to the bottom. Okay. And duplicate it again, go left. Okay, so now we've got three different timelines, left, bottom, top, and then empty, which is just from middle really. So we can already see that our default timeline empty is selected, and move some things up here. So as soon as we start dragging these timelines into our state machine, we can then link empty to any of these. So our state machine will fire off. We'll come to this middle position over here, and then it will exit to one of these. But what are the conditions for that exit? Well, we haven't set any. Okay, and we haven't configured inputs, we haven't configured listeners. However, if you go look at the bottom right of your screen, you will see randomize exit. We're going to tick that on and scroll down. And over here we can see the probability of how that exit will be handled. So I'm going to say I want it to be left, I don't know, 60% of the time, bottom 30% of the time, and top 10% of the time. Okay, so with that set up, if we run this animation, yeah, there we go, and stop and run and stop and run, we will keep seeing it jump based on the odds. Now, obviously, because left is 60% of the time, it's probably going to be the most. Well, it has to be the most. And there we go. We finally hit a top. Okay. So does that work? Well, yeah, it looks like it works. Let's go test. Let's say that one 10% of the time, and then top 80% of the time, and then these two can just bash it out. Okay, so we should see top a lot more, and left and bottom only 20% of the time between the two of them. So 1 out of every 5 of that. Cool. Yeah, that seems like it's working. So that is the basic setup of randomizing your exit from a specific timeline. And you can obviously go set conditions to jump back. I will do a more in-depth tutorial where we build like some form of product, like a coin toss or a slot machine, or I don't know, a spinning wheel, something with probability, which could be fun. But yeah, right now I just wanted to share how to hook this up.